Hi guys, this is Karthik. Welcome all for C Programming Aptitude Interview Question Sessions. This is the first question, guys. Int main, int a comma b comma c, printf percentage d, and comma followed by, I'm using this scanf function, percentage d, percentage d, percentage d, ampersand of a, ampersand of b, and ampersand of c. And these are all the following options, guys. Suppose how this code work means after running this code, you have to give an input through keyboard. Any number you can give. Suppose if I enter 1, 2, 4, that will be stored in a variable called A, B, C. Not only this, any value you can enter through the keyboard after entering the 3-digit, okay, 3 values through the keyboard, and what will be the output of this code. First option is 1, 2, 4. Second option is 1, 2, 4, 7. Third option is 1, 2, 4, 3. And the fourth option is 3. You can pass this video, you can predict the output of this code. Now we will go for the practical implementation of this code. This is the code. Now suppose if I try to run this code, you have to enter 3 values through keyboard. Now I will enter 10, 20, and 30. 20, then 30 I will enter. So what will be the output of this code? 3, it is displaying. Now how exactly this code works? And here the scanf function, it will return total number of input is successfully scanned. Okay. Then printf that will be displayed on the screen. How many number of input I have given now? So 3 input. 10 will be stored in a, 20 will be stored in a b, 30 will be stored in a c. Scanf function will return total number of input that has successfully scanned. So on printf that will print the values. That is the reason it is printing the 3 here. So if I enter 1, 2, 3 in my next execution, this is also, it will print the 3. In my third execution, this time I will use just space. I will enter space, enter, space, enter, space, enter, no value. Nothing will be displayed like this. In my third execution, you can say if I enter character, what will happen here? Character, see, it will display 0. So we'll go for the second question. This is second question. Int main, int d is equal to 100, int a is equal to printf percentage d slash n followed by the d. Again, the next line, printf percentage d followed by the a. And these are all the options. First option, 100 followed by the 4, and the second option, compile time error. Third option is 100, and the fourth option is 100 followed by the 3. Now predict the output of this code. Go for the practical implementation of this code, how exactly this code works. Just observe now. 100 will be assigned for the variable called d. Now the printf, how exactly works? So printf, now it will print the values, integer value 100, that will be displayed. Now how exactly in the for the next line 4 exactly it is printing. And now 100, how it will take for the consideration is 1 and 0 treated as 2, and this is the 3. Okay, the 3. Then followed by slash n also, it is treated as a 4. Okay, and because of the slash n, control will go for the next line here. Because of the slash n, when the 100 is printed, definitely it will go for the next line. For the consideration of slash n also, it will print the value. This a value is treated as now percentage d indicates that integer. The value of a that will be displayed for the 4. Why? Because I will repeat once again, 1, 2, 3, and followed by the slash n. This is considered as a 4. That's the reason the value of the a is printed as a 4 over here. So we'll go for the next question. Int main, int a is equal to 10. If the condition is true, then that will be displayed C++. Break I have used here, another printf C, and the else part I have used Java. These are the following options. First option is C++, second option is Java, third option is compile time error, fourth option is runtime error. You can pause this video, you can predict the output of this code. Now we will go for the practical implementation of this code. Suppose if you're trying to run this code, you will get the compile time error. Why? Because we have used the break for the if and else here. So there is no while loop, there is no for loop, and there is no do while loop. So from this, you have to use a while. Inside the while, you should use it, or do while or for. If you're only using the break only for the if else, surely we'll get the compile time error. Suppose here, a less than 11. Suppose now this is printing C++. Why? Because 10 less than 11, true, and 10 equals to 10, true. Then C++ is printing. Because of the break, it will come out of it. In the absence of the while, or do while or else for, if I run this code having only if else and break I'm used inside the if, you will get compile time error. So understood this code? Keep practicing the code. See you in my next session. Thank you.